All right, we're back with Eonon, and we're back in the R32. And we're going to replace the factory radio with the new Eonon VWX6S Pro. So fully functional touchscreen that replaces the whole unit. I'll show you how easy it is to install right now. First things first, just on top of the unit here, you'll see this part right here. Just need a trim tool to pop it off. Just get your trim tool on the side here and pull it off. And if you look, it's hard to see, but there's a T20 here, so you take that off and this whole top part comes off. Just get your trim tool on the side here between these two, and it pops right off. Then you got these two T20s right there, as you can see. Now let's do bolts out. I just like to grab the front here, start prying it up. There's some clips on here, so this will have to go up straight as well. That's all out of the way, and now you have two screws here, two T20s again. Now when you got those two T20s out, now slowly just pull out all around this panel right here. There you go. Be four more here. Now once you got all four of those screws out, the factory radio just slides out. We got the old radio out, and you'll see here's the harness that comes with the Eonon radio. Don't let it look too overwhelming. It's literally just plug and play. So the main harness of the car connects to the Eonon harness, and then you plug in the rest of the small white connectors. All of these just go into the back of the Eonon radio. And also don't forget this one black connector that goes into the back here. That's the main power for the unit. Okay, before I put it all back together, we're going to test it out. It's booting up. Perfect. So you'll see steering wheels control work, plug and play. Great. That's awesome. Now I'm just going to do the opposite and reassemble it, and then we're going to check out all the features this thing has. So it's got the car running. You can see it has CAN bus data. You see the doors open. The rear hatch is open right now because I just had the battery disconnected, so I'm going to go close it. So here you go. You got all the apps already pre-installed. Now we're going to just quickly play some music. So we'll go to Bluetooth music. Phone not connected, so we're going to pair a phone now. So we're going to go to back of your app screen, slide one over. We have Z-Link right here. We got CarPlay. And then you're going to press the phone button. And this will give you your device name. So go onto your phone and pair it to this. Make sure that's the device name and that's the PIN number. You can see we got some music playing. Just have it muted for copyright purposes, but it is streaming from my phone. Personally, my favorite app is right here, the DSP. That's the equalizer. It has like great sound. Like the Eonon units sound better than the factory units. Even on factory speakers, you can make it sound amazing. So there's a lot of settings in here. I am not an audio engineer, so I can't give you the best settings, but I'll show you all they got here. All the different modes and stuff. It's fun to play around with. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you love these Eonon head units as much as I do. If you want to buy one on a special discount, check on the description down below, and just for my viewers, you guys will get a good percentage off. So thanks for watching, guys.